Hi, I'm Aneesa. Welcome to our channel, Offbeat Life. We'd love it if you'd stay and subscribe and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you my abs workout. Okay, so if you want to maximize your results, in addition to doing this workout on a regular basis, and I recommend doing it about 5 to 6 days a week, you may also want to incorporate high intensity training of some sort. So whether that be weight training, high intensity interval training, cardio, or some combination throughout the week, as well as incorporating a really healthy diet, you will get better and faster results. So I do this workout 10 minutes a day, as I said, for about 5 or 6 days a week. And I do each of the exercises or some combination of these types of exercises, holding them for 1 minute at a time. Now you may want to reduce that to maybe 30 seconds at a time if you are starting out. But this is a great way to get started to really pull in your core, get it stronger. And this has also been a really integral part of my yoga training because it's really helped me to get my core really strong, to connect with my core and helping me to get into those really difficult yoga poses. So let's get started. Well, I hope you enjoyed my abs workout routine. If you end up trying it, please do tag us on Instagram. And in the comments below, please also share your favorite ab exercises so I can maybe add those into my routine. Until next time, thanks so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Bye.